I closed $2,500 worth of brand deals just in Q4 alone, and it wouldn't have been possible without this spreadsheet. I'm going to show you exactly how I track, how I use it, and how I use it to land $2,500 in brand deals. This is on top of commissions and all that other stuff. And it wouldn't have been possible without SellerAmp. So I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using it, how I utilize it. And it literally is so quick and saves me tens of hours every single month. All right, so here we are. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this sheet. This is exactly what my sheet looks like. I'm going to show you why I like to have all this information using SellerAmp to create this as well. So what you're going to want to do here is you're going to go to Sheets, and then you're going to go to Setup. These are kind of all the sheets that I have, and this is going to be the AIP demo sheet. So I did one about creator connections. So if you want to check out that video, you could check out that. So we're going to click this open right over here. So this is literally all you need to have set up. You need the export date, the product name, the brand name, the ASIN, the Amazon URL, and the sale price. That's what I like to keep track of. And with the click of a button, all that stuff goes into this spreadsheet. So I don't have to enter it manually. And a lot of the times when you do get something from Amazon, they send you like one of these slips right over here. And a lot of the time what appears exactly in the description is usually this title. So this is now searchable. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So before I show you that, I like to have the date. This way I know exactly when the brand contacted me and said they would ship the item. This way I could be on the lookout for it. Again, I like to have the full title because on those slips that I get, I need to see exactly what's on there, and I could do a search find and find exactly. So let's just say this is the brand Reblum. Reblum does not appear anywhere in here, but the ticket will probably say something like solar. So then I could find that pretty quickly if I have that in here. The ASIN, this is going to be used to actually tag the product when you upload it. The link, so this is going to be the link to the Amazon product. So I could go over here, get any details that I need about this product so I can make my video. And if you're using a plugin to tag, you could also kind of grab the ASINs there. The other thing I like is to have the price because I'm going to resell this most likely. So I like to have it in order and I'll know if this is $109. I have some idea what to list it on Facebook, eBay, whatever. The pay over here. So how much the brand is going to pay me. And then their contact info. This is probably the most important thing to capture. I have a whole inbox of Instagram DMs that's not really that searchable, hard to search. Half the time they don't even send you the ASIN, so you can't really even search by that. So literally I could just click that open just like this, and then I'm gonna go to the messages and see what they sent me. And then once the video is done, I put it in this column right over here. So once you have that set up, all you have to do is you scroll over here. Let's say this brand is sending me this wagon. I just hit this AIP demo. That's the spreadsheet I'm using for this video. It's gonna lag a little bit because we're recording over here. This literally goes in there in like 2 seconds. So we go over here. You'll see the wagon is here, the brand name, the ASIN, the price, and then I'm just gonna be like, they're sending this, they're gonna pay me $40 for this. And then I just put their contact info in here. And then when the video is done, it is here. A lot of the times I like to capture the video here because sometimes the brand will ask for it later on, or it's just easy to have. Or how I got the $2,500 is literally I just went down this list and sent them the same message. I said, hey, if you need any more videos, let me know. I really like working with you in the past. If you have any products that need videos, let me know. And everyone sent, I would say maybe 40% of the people sent me products to review. It would not have been possible without this spreadsheet. If I had to go through every single Instagram DM, every email, every this, like it just wouldn't be possible. So to stay organized and have this sheet is super helpful, and especially the pay too, because a lot of the times you have to scroll through, what did they send to me? How much were they paying for this? So I like having everything in one spot. If you want a free trial of SellerAmp, there'll be a link down below. You could try this out for 14 days. There's also be a quick start guide down there that has more helpful videos just like this. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.